Okay. Boom bap bing bop bow. And check this on, but there's MOT vibes. But I'm gonna turn them down for now. I like looking at this shit though. Let's see what happened last night too. So yesterday, yeah, see what? From exactly where I thought, pretty much. Big sale here, and then all the way down to the lows. Yep, there it goes. It happened. Did I get stopped out, eh? Yep. I should have made, if I had kept my stop loss up here, no, that definitely would have cracked it. But I would have had to wait like fucking 1, 2, 3 hours for my position to hit. Alright. No, so it looks like we're reading alright. Our reading's alright. Okay, here we go. We got 5 minutes. So let's push. Give myself 1 minute to set up my phone. Alright, here we go. Let's get rid of this shit. Boom. Looks like we've just created a high, so we're pushing for lows, and there's gaps down here at the lows as well. Let's look for the open first. Open. Right, one open. Two open. Alright, let's go to daily now. Bang. Bang. We've still got some room to push for buys here as well, but it looks like. Alright, so we need this here to go up to here. And the lows get pushed up to here. And on this one, same shit. Just doing our setup at the moment. So I'm looking for sales at the moment based on that. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's get rid of these old ones right here. All-time high still sits. Alright, we need to run knee template. We got 2 minutes. Oh, well, it looks about 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay. Now we need yesterday's values all the way to 16. Bang. Yesterday's values. 1. Very low. Red area high. In the middle, pays. That's pretty much today's open. Block. Alright. 1 minute left, 8 seconds left. I'll push a 1. So I'll push up to this gap. Got a little gap here. Bang, bang, bang. That's gonna finish the gap here, I think. Let's close it out. Sorry, man. I know, I'm right, thank you. It's alright, a nice push down. There's my trades here. Let's see what these cunts reckon. We're here, man. Already started out bad for me. Hey, sup, G? Sorry, I was in a different chat, hey. Looking for shots. Yeah, bro, same. Yeah, these cunts are talking too much shit, so we out. I think the same, bro. Let's have a look with a little fib here. to a goldy one. Let's go with llama. Let's check in. And there goes the pork. Let's just head off pork right now. Let's see what happens. I think I need to hit yesterday's value areas on here as well. On ES. And is it a 4-bar play right here too? It looks like it to me. I'm going to sell right here. I'm going to put my stops 132 ticks away. I'm not sure about that here. But we're just going to run it. I might put it down here actually. 75 ticks. Which is 75 times 50 is $37. So another fib, but the other way maybe. I'm out, just not feeling that. We still got this orb play running at the moment as well. So just to show what that looks like. There's the gap fill as well, finished. We're in this one, make it purple. Oh, what? Yeah, there we go. It'll crash through to the downside. Yeah, I'm feeling that too, bruv. To be honest, I'm just not sure where the correct entry is for me at the moment. Yep. So I'm thinking it's probably like going to be like a bit of a bank, 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 something like that. Here's the touch right here. This is a good spot for a buy. Right, here we go. Oh yeah, that's a pretty big drawdown, eh, G? Alright, here we go, I'm in. Oh yeah, not feeling that either. I think I need confirmation first. I went on this being proactive instead of reactive. I need a confirmation first. $40 ticks is 10 points. I'm gonna lock that in. 80 ticks, it's hit. Let's crash through orb right now. Up 100 ticks. I'm not gonna fuck around and wait. I'm gonna make sure I get rid of my loss, like especially when it's there. Which is mean, because we're running one micro at the moment, so I'll take that. Possible sell from the valley area high is pretty good right here. Valley area high. Let me just move this across so you guys can see that as well. Amount G 243. Yeah, solid. Yeah. Was that a sell? You sell from midline or from? I'd say POC. Eh? POC and midline are pretty equal at the moment. Oh, you took a buy, eh? Is that from Valley Area High? Yesterday's? Right over here, I'm guessing. Something like this. Or was it this one here? And because I read the strategy, your strategy, and would it be hunting back to POC like it has right now? $51299. Yeah, G. Mean, bro. Mean. Proud of you, G. A finish for the day. From 25045. Oh, yeah. Over here, eh? That's my line here as well. That's pretty mean. Alright. Midline hasn't hit midline. I need to draw a quick orb on the ES as well. Alright, so orb has been created down here. Alright, so I think this is a solid flip. We might be coming up to here again. Up to the 23.6. Let's see what happened yesterday real quick. Oh no, I don't have my old lines there, so I can't recall. solid cell spot right here that it's at right now. Get a set up POC, I reckon. Alright, so orb is set. I'm gonna start chucking these lines in here. There's one. All blue. Let's make it blue real quick. Just hit a break above the orb. And we'll just let price do what it wants to. Alright, big crash back into orb. If we stay under orb right now, then this is a solid zone for me to say that's a fake out. We stayed on top. We're back in now. Touching high. Okay, got a couple things here. A buy from POC right here. And then there's a buy from midline as well. The fake out was pretty strong. It was mean. Midline approaching. Let's push through POC and midline. Alright, here's a confirmation right here. Is it a POC cell? We got VWAP online here as well. VWAP's underneath right there. See how high it pushes up through POC. I want to wait for this candle, at least. 6 to 7 trades. Friggin' tired as. Oh, your in there for the night was held. Three bar play right here. claiming 40 ticks, looking for 100 ticks right there. 40 ticks grabbed. Solid 3 bar. Look at this sell. Bill's been pretty on, to be honest, G. I'll track back to pot. Yeah, that's like what I'm reading and what you're reading. They're two separate things, right? Oh yeah, watch this. Here we go. So I'm gonna do this right here. Let's see how this holds up. What I'm hunting is for this low right here. So that's 160 points. But I think there's a solid gap here as well that I need to be careful for. Big rejection of the orb low. Alright, so it's gonna hunt for this up here first, possibly. Let's see what happens. You can just back to POC or back up to the gap. Ooh, let's see which one hits. It's definitely gonna hit POC, but we didn't know that either, really. Here's yesterday's VWAP. Sorry, Valley Area High. Tired as heck, off the bed. Yeah, G, yeah, do your thing, yeah. Six out of 7 trades. Good on you, G. Proud of you, bro. Main trading so far, bro. I'm so glad you stuck to it too, you know. Pushing through, because, what was it, only last month, you know. Had the vibes of not continuing. And here you are with your best trades yet. It's mean. $85.7, yeah, huge. A lot of people pass accounts on 40% still. Yeah, massive values here. Here's POC. Let's see if it runs a 3 bar play down from here. Or hunts for the gap. Push off the Valley Area High and then hunt for the gap up here. Because that would also be in line with this fib here as well. Hitting the gap. And top of orb. Then coming back down. Golden zone. Gap touch. Oh man, the fake out call was so good, eh? fake out and push through back here. Orb to orb play, 70 points. Nah, I need to watch out for those because those happen too often. Would be a mean spot. Right, here's the 3-bar play up. Believing capable passing with it's this month or in the future. Faith and belief, yeah, G. Makes me happy that it's the real W for me regardless of the outcome. Yeah, facts, G. That's wicked. Four-bar play up. Shit, better check for news, eh? 2 o'clock, Feds. Oh yeah, I should check for that too. 1:30, there was fully fed business index, so spike the news a bit. Alright, from the gap, that's probably where I'm gonna take orb high, small 20. See if we can get a little play here. Not straight up. Alright, get rid of this. Looking for a play in here somewhere. Still gonna go up possibly. No, is it gone? Bounce off POC. Yeah, laters my kids. Shot G. I appreciate it, bruv. Alright. It's gonna start pushing down. POC push down. Ticks, jeez. Good trade. Oh, shot you. I appreciate it, bruv. It's tapped the box again, but hasn't pushed all the way up and completed the balance. Alright, 3 a.m. So news has come out. There would be benefits to inflation target range. I don't see a need to take monetary policy below neutral. Wow. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about, to be honest. 10 minutes left and then slow down. Alright, G, yeah. I'm gonna hit that. It's pretty slow now though, so I'm thinking, yeah. We've already gone through the highs. It has to come down, bruv. So I can either do a value area high play here, or I'll wait for the break and retest of orb. Yesterday I almost had a day. I'll show you my trade yesterday. No, I can't. I have to stay on this. My trade idea yesterday would have played out. Yeah, bro, hard. Like good reactions and stuff, but there's always a distribution phase, eh? It's like the open, and then it kind of hasn't done anything. It's just ranged, but that's also like mean as like spots to play. So like this fake out, I like these fake outs. Eh? The reversals are pretty kind of easy to spot too, and you can at least catch back to POC or, you know, doing these small trades and stuff. Let's check news. Oil dips below. See, even this range in between here and here. Bink. 10-point trades right here. Should try one, eh? No, bad time to try one. Bad time to try one, bruv. It's distributing right now. Right, here we go. I put him 5 on that too. There we go. Buy here to value area high, or to POC, or the buy push off here, straight up to fill the gap. I've got not a fake out on ES as well, but just solid rejections off that. Beat the previous low as well. So because it hit the bottom of orb, I expected it, like especially with this big push, to tap, tap and go on these levels. That one was kind of easy trade. The range trade, it was just something I wanted to try. Alright, here we go, filling in this gap. This is the trade I wanted to take, which is this here. Or even this here. So from the high of the day at least. And only sacrificing 20 points. Low-key, I think it's going to tap this too, unless it respects these levels here. So I'll just claim free in this. Let's claim one here. Put my stake in, you know. Now I've got these ideas in. Let's have a look above. See how high all-time high is. It's about 200 points away still, same as yesterday. Alright, a buy push right here. ES is pushed below orb. Got relative strength right here. On ES we have relative equals, yes. Relative equals. Seconds. Got a 3-bar play down. 3-bar play down on both sides right here. We've got one that has made a lower low, and one that has made a higher low. What does this mean? Which one do I follow? My call is to go south. It's just where do I place my entry? 5 seconds left on this. Now should slow down, but since we haven't distributed enough today yet, it could even ramp up from here. So I've got ears all below broken properly. Now we just need proper body closure below it. We're about to touch the VWAP again. How long has it been since the last touch of VWAP as well? Since 150. Should get a pretty strong buy from this VWAP. I've played VWAP plenty of times though to know that, you know, if I can, gets rejected a lot, but also can be pushed through a lot as well, especially if ES is pushing like this. Alright, so we're looking for this to possibly be a fake out, but we'll get in here instead. Previous high, 211 ticks, that's too much, eh? Right, so depending what happens here, hardly any rejection. Alright, if this closes straight back into orb, then we're out of the trade, otherwise might be right here. So we're currently running this play from right here. Alright, we've got body closure. We've got a retest of orb right here. If we close inside of orb, then we're out of the trade. Which kind of fits with VWAP. Broken this line right here. Touch the fib. We need a closure below the orb line for this to be a solid trade. Then if it does close below this line as well, I would scale in. Yeah, and that's perfect. That's what we wanted. And close below VWAP as well. Possibly, hopefully, close below. Alright, scale in on touch of orb. If it happens, scale. Alright, we've got 2 contracts running here at the moment. I'm gonna leave it at my 20. Alright, we'll leave it right there. This closes back in, then it is what it is. Should we leave it kind of strong, like over here? I'm not quite sure. We're hunting for 161, and if we add this over here, we'd have a 3-point risk. Hopefully we distribute out of here. What confluences do you use to enter the market bugs? But I pretty much just use like value areas. I use orb as well, like MOT. But I kind of have like my bias based on like the Globex range as well. So whatever the Globex range is, so we've got high and low, these dotted white lines. Whatever they are, I kind of use them as like, alright, so if I've touched the high was the last thing created, then I'm kind of hunting for the low. What about yourself, my man? I think we're back at mid. Um, I'd like to see gaps get filled as well. I think a 5 minute retest is what I need for like proper orb breaks and stuff. Yeah, so we got filled there. I'm still calling for a sell, but to be honest, it's kind of looking like it's kind of looking like the double break and then distribute, huh? That's boosting. I don't see it pulling back in, to be honest. So I should just pull right. Wait for confirmation instead of being proactive. Three bar play out. Ticks, 140 ticks, 160 ticks. Belly area high for 200 ticks. Really good level for fib. Entered golden zone and started pushing. Want to see a 3-bar play down from here. Really good spot to have an entry. Scale in. Just added one contract here. Would like to see the 4-bar play on this. Hopefully ES respects the VWAP line as well. To be fair, it's looking really good for like a fib bullish push, yeah. There goes a rejection of fib 2. Oh, almost.